Welcome to you all talented and curious student of second year math in Kana math classes under CBSE board based on NCERT pattern syllabus. In the continuation of previous videos, I am going to solve some more problems under the exercise 6.03 under question number 24. You have given the equation of curve that is a hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and you have to find out the equation of tangent and normal both at the point x0 y0. In order to find out the equation of tangent and normal, we must find out the slope, that is dy by dx of the tangent and dy by dx of the normals both. Hence, first of all, we will differentiate this equation of the curve with respect to x. Hence, two x upon a square minus 2y dy by dx upon b square and of 1 will be equal to 0, or 2b square x is equal to 2y a square into dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to 2b square x upon 2a square y. 2 and 2 cancel by each other. It will be equal to b square upon a square into x by y. Hence, dy by dx at the requisite point x0, y0, we will substitute x by x0 and y by y0. Hence, it will become b square upon a square into x0 upon y0. This is the dy by dx of the tangent to be found out at the requisite point x0, y0. Hence, the equation of tangent the equation of tangent x minus x1 x minus x0 is equal to dy by dx, that is b square upon a square x0 upon y0 y minus y0. Now, equation of tangent, that is y minus y0, y minus y0 is equal to b square upon a square x0 y0, here x minus x0. Now, we will cross multiplication. You will a square y0 a square y y0 a square y y0 minus y0 square a square y0 minus a square y0 square is equal to b square x0 b square x0 b square x0 b square x0 minus b square x0 square. We will take here b0 x0 square b0 x0 square b square x0 square minus a square y0 square is equal to b square x0 minus a square y0. First of all, we will divide both sides by a square b square, by a square b square. Hence, dividing by a square b square, dividing by a square b square, it will become x0 square upon a square, y0 square upon b square is equal to b0 b square a square, b square a square, it will become x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square. Since the equation of curve is being given here, and if you substitute x and y by x0 and y0, you will see this is clearly 1. This will be clearly 1. Hence, the equation of tangent x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square is equal to 1. This is the requisite equation of tangent, and due to lack of space, we will rub some upper part of the question. Now, the slope of the normal, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at x0 y0. Since you have already find out the value of dy by dx x0 y0 is equal to this, this will become to minus 1 upon b square x0 and in numerator a square y0, a square y0, that is equal to minus a square upon b square y0 upon x0. This will be the slope or gradient of the normal, hence the equation of normal. Hence, the equation of normal, equation of normal is equal to y minus y0, and this is minus a square y0 upon b square x0 x minus x0 or y minus y0 upon a square y0 is equal to minus x minus x0 upon b0 b square x0, or most clearly you may write this as y minus y0 upon a square y0 plus, by transferring the side of this, x minus x0 upon b square x0 is equal to 0. Y minus y0, here y minus y0 upon this and plus x minus x0 upon b square x0. Y minus y0 a square y0, and by transferring the side this will become plus x minus x0 upon b square x0 is equal to 0. This will be the requisite equation of the normal. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.